Whether you're the tenant or the landlord, the City of Toronto has changed the rules for rental renovations starting July 31st.
By serving this N13, notifying your tenants about all of the changes that you are wanting to do with all of your repairs, your renovations, and just a new compliance that's set in stone.
That's international real estate broker Felicia Recap.
Once you receive the license as the landlord, you have to follow the bylaw requirements, including notifying the tenant, providing them with compensation or accommodation plans, and even offering them the option to return back into the dwelling.
And tenants who return, the rental rate does not change despite the upgrades.
Legally, if they were paying $2,000 a month for the dwelling, after you do the renovations, it is still going to remain $2,000 a month, unless your dwelling is of 2018 and newer.
With Real Estate and Renovate, I'm Ann Lavery.